22nd of January was going to be a big day for Tata Motors as it was all set to launch the Altroz, its foray into the premium hatchback segment. But what Tata has done has taken this opportunity to also launch its BS6 compliant facelifted range. Now you've seen the Altroz, but you haven't seen the facelifted models. So let's take a look at what's new on these cars. We begin with the Tiago facelift, which gets a new front end. It's got a redesigned bonnet. It's got this sharper front end that resembles the Altroz's face. It's got this cool new grille with these tri-arrow pattern elements. And it's also got a redesigned bumper, which if you will notice has this really cool element right at the bottom, which it shares with the Altroz. Apart from that, the Tiago facelift does not get projector headlights, which are available on the Tigor facelift, which I shall get to in just a bit. On the side, it's exactly the same, and at the back too, it's mostly the same, save for a slight change to the rear bumper. So the Tigor facelift is also very similar to the Tiago facelift in terms of what has changed at the front. It's got that same sharp nose. It's got that tri-arrow element pattern in the grille, but the one key differentiator here is that you've got chrome on the grille, but the front bumper is exactly the same as the Tiago facelifts, but with the exception of the LED DRLs. Get inside the facelifted Tiago or Tigor and you will be greeted by a familiar sight. This dashboard hasn't changed in terms of design, but you do get a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. What you will also notice is the fact that it's got a new flat-bottomed steering wheel. Both cars have a digital instrument cluster, and I think this flat-bottomed steering wheel really goes with the sporty appearance of this particular Tiago, finished in Victory Yellow. So for the Tiago and the Tigor, Tata has upgraded the 1.2-litre Revotron petrol engine, so it's now BS6 compliant. But both cars now do not get a diesel engine anymore. The 1.05-litre Revotorque diesel has been axed. Both cars continue to get a 5-speed manual, and an AMT is available as an option. As for the Nexon facelift, well, you've already seen it with the Nexon EV. The facelifted Nexon has this really square-jawed look. It's got a new redesigned bonnet. It's got a part-closed grille. It's got these new headlight clusters with LED DRLs in them. It's got this reprofiled front bumper as well. It's more or less like the Nexon EV, but missing the elements which help distinguish the Nexon EV, which are the color-coded elements which are specific to the electric model. All three facelifts are now BS6 compliant, and they also comply with the pedestrian protection norms, which will come into effect in India in October this year. Step inside the Nexon facelift and you will notice the presence of a flat-bottom steering wheel, a digital instrument cluster, but what you will also notice is the presence of a factory-fitted sunroof, which is available on the Nexon for the first time. What you will also notice are two new touches. Now, Express Cool and What 3 Words are part of Tata's IRA suite of features. IRA stands for Intelligent Real-Time Assist, and what 3 Words lets you do is it lets you navigate to your location within 3 meters of the location itself by just using voice command to dictate 3 words to the system. And Express Cool, of course, as the term suggests, helps cool the cabin much quicker in the summers. In terms of engine options, the Nexon continues with its 1.2-litre turbo petrol and 1.5-litre diesel engine, both of which have been upgraded to be BS6 compliant. And of course, the gearbox options also remain the same as before. Well, now we come to the prices. The Altroz was launched today at a price point of Rs 5.29 lakh. The range goes all the way up to Rs 9.29 lakh. The Tiago facelift is priced from Rs 4.6 to 6.6 lakh. The Tigor facelift is priced from Rs 5.75 to 7.49 lakh. And the Nexon facelift that we are seated in is priced between Rs 6.95 all the way up to Rs 12.7 lakh for the top spec diesel AMT. Don't forget to tell us what you think of the facelifted Tata models, what you think of the Altroz's pricing. Do remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we can't wait to drive these cars and tell you what they're like.